Hi little kids! Today we are going to learn the uppercase and the lowercase alphabet. That is 26 letters, which is an English alphabet we will be learning, which is also called as capital letter and small letters. So I will be telling you the difference in that and the phonic sounds of it. So today we will learn the uppercase and the lowercase alphabet, which is also called as capital letters and small letters of the alphabet. This is uppercase A and smaller case A, which says A. This is uppercase B. This is lowercase b, which says B. This is uppercase C. This is lowercase c, which says K. This is uppercase D and this is lowercase d, which says D. This is uppercase E. This is lowercase e, which says E. This is uppercase F and this is lowercase f, which says F. This is uppercase G. This is lowercase g, which says G. This is uppercase H. This is lowercase h, which says H. This is uppercase I. This is lowercase I, which says E. This is uppercase J. This is lowercase j, which says J. This is uppercase K. This is lowercase k, which says K. This is uppercase L. This is lowercase l, which says L. This is uppercase M. This is lowercase m, which says M. This is uppercase N. This is lowercase n, which says N. This is uppercase O. This is lowercase o, which says O. This is uppercase P. This is lowercase p, which says P. This is uppercase Q. This is lowercase q, which says Q. This is uppercase R. This is lowercase r, which says This is uppercase S. This is lowercase s, which says S. This is uppercase T. This is lowercase t, which says T. This is uppercase U. This is lowercase u, which says A. This is uppercase V. This is lowercase v, which says V. This is uppercase W. This is lowercase w, which says W. This is uppercase X. This is lowercase x, which says X. This is uppercase Y. This is lowercase y, which says Y. This is uppercase Z. This is lowercase z. So this is which says Z. So we learned about the uppercase and lowercase, or also we call it as capital letter and small letters of the alphabet. But if the capital letter and small letters are different in writing, but they sound same. So I hope you all like this video. For more videos like this, subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye.